Can we hide our following list on Instagram without a private account? Hello everybody, in this video we are going to find out, so let's just start. For that you may open up your Instagram, and once you open up Instagram you may head over to the bottom right corner to open up your profile. Once your profile opens up, if you're trying to hide your following list, if you're trying to do that without making your account private, unfortunately Instagram does not allow us that. So there is no direct way to hide your following list on Instagram without making your account private. So only the available option is to switch to a private account. For that, after you reach over to your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top and open up a menu. From here, you may scroll down, go to account privacy, and make sure you have turned this option all, which is called private account. Just go ahead and tap on it to turn it on, and your account should be switched to private account, and your following list will be hidden on your account. So that is only the way which restricts who can see your followers following and post for now. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.